Hello, happy 4th of July 2022. We hope you enjoy our video. Just some family, some good food, and a good fireworks show afterwards. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video, and please, if you haven't already, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing our video. We appreciate your support. Thank you very much for watching. Now on with the show. Pre-baking chicken. Okay.
Worked out.
Well, here's one way to do it. Instead of sprinkling the lemon pepper all over the chicken, you spill a bunch of it down there and you rub it all over the chicken. It has the same effect. It's more personalized that way.
One way.
It's just one of many ways. Obviously, she washed her hands, everything's clean. Normally you could put on gloves, but hey, it's 4th of July. It's supposed to be rough. Sprayed some Pam or oil on there. Now we're replacing the drumsticks onto the foil covered pan. Pop that in the oven for how long?
I'd say 45 minutes.
About 45 minutes. It's just a safety thing with us. We want to make sure things like chicken, pork, bear meat, or anything else like that is cooked properly. You don't want any problems.
As soon as the oven's preheated, then let's put it in.
And we'll preheat the oven and get some things done there. All right.
Lemon chicken.
Lemon chicken, guaranteed. Okay. We already wrapped these. We wanted to unwrap one, show you. This is our way. The corn.
Pat of butter.
Pat of butter.
And then
Wrap it
foil.
in aluminum foil, heavy duty aluminum foil. And then you can go ahead and cook these on the grill.
And then grill.
And that's how you do it. Again, it's just one of many
Yeah,
ways.
this is just our way. It's not.
Does that look good to you? Huh? I think these steaks are done. Corn still got a little bit to go. Yep. Flip this over a little bit. Flip that over a little bit.
got like a something exploded on
All right, here.
I sent
I
it
don't
to you guys.
I don't know. That's.
So yeah.
wow.
Your dad's I went with
Yeah. Edit out all this stuff. It's like little missiles going off.